Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go over the great deals going on next week at CVS. We're going to go over what inserts are coming, and at the end, I'm going to show you how you can put together 2 transactions to roll your rewards using Flu's gift cards. And as a beginner, you'll be able to grab 8 products for a final cost of $8.40, okay? So definitely stay tuned if you want to save money and learn how to coupon at CVS. And if you're new to my channel, as always, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell to all, so you'll be notified when I post new videos and you won't miss out on any easy ways to save a ton of money. I do have a giveaway going on right now on my Instagram. My new Instagram, if you could head over there and follow me, it's Bree Coupon Queen 1. If you followed me on my old Instagram, I no longer have access to it. It was hacked, it's gone. So I have a new Instagram that I am just building back up, and I'm doing giveaways on my Instagram. I am also almost at 6,000 followers, so I will be doing another giveaway when I hit that benchmark. So I would definitely love to have you. TikTok, I'm almost at 100,000 followers. So if you don't follow me there, my handle is pretty much the same on all platforms. TikTok, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. My next couponing class is going to be Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the link to sign up for that is below in the description box. A lot of you asked me for an even later time because of you're in a different time zone or you work later. So I want to try to incorporate as many people as I can so I can help you learn how to coupon. And at the end, I answer any questions that you have, anything you're struggling with, okay? So 20 people per class on that. So definitely sign up below, reserve your seat before it's gone. Next week, I'm going to be going live on YouTube. I want to give away some Flu's vouchers. I have a bunch that I want to give away for you guys so you can get that 35% cash back. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know when I'm going to be going live on YouTube. Let's get into our coupon inserts. Next week, we're getting 2 inserts. One is going to be a Smart Source and one is going to be a Save. We're getting lots of good coupons. Hair care coupons, we're getting Garnier, we're getting Elvive. We are also getting some all detergent coupons again. So if you want to order your inserts, highly recommend ordering them online because not every Sunday paper gets all the inserts and not every Sunday paper gets the same value coupons. So to get the highest value coupons to save the most money, I order mine online. Both of the websites that I use are linked below in the description box so you guys can order. And I have referral codes for you to save 10% on BQ. That one's the fastest shipping. Or if you don't really care about the shipping time being super fast and you can maybe get them a little bit later, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, then you can order from Sunday Coupon Inserts. It's a little bit cheaper and you can save 15% using code BREE 2021. So definitely get those ordered so you don't miss out. All right, let's hop into some of these amazing deals. Most of these deals are going to be using coupons in the Sunday paper coming up, okay? We have an Ibotta rebate that's super easy. We do have new Ibotta bonuses that just became available today. So I got a weekend marker bonus. There's also an honor roll bonus, a $10 bonus. Then when you complete the honor roll bonus, it'll unlock another bonus. So you guys know I love using Ibotta. All the referral codes are going to be below in the description box as well for all the rebate apps that I use. That is a big tool in my belt for how I save so much money. So hair care, it does track towards CVS Beauty. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Garnier. They're 2 for $7. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra buck, limit of 1. Using the 3 off of 2 coupon, you'll pay $4 out of pocket. Get back a $2 extra buck, makes your final cost $2 for both or just $1 each, which is a great deal. Here's the easy Ibotta rebate. So flips next week are going to be buy 3, get a $3 extra buck, limit of 1. So grab any 3. I bought a couple last week. I haven't tried them yet, but I do love chocolate covered pretzels. They're super good, especially if you guys plan on doing like a movie night or something like that. That can always be good. One good movie you guys should watch is Jungle Cruise. I watched it the other night with my family and it was such a funny, good movie. I love The Rock. Highly recommend that movie. So this could be something you could eat with that. You're going to use 3 of the 75-cent off one coupons we got in our 815 Smart Source. You'll pay $6.75 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back a $3 extra buck and submit to Ibotta. You'll get 75 cents back each, giving you back $2.25. That makes your final cost 50 cents each. And you can grab one of each flavor if you want, so you can try them out. They have milk chocolate, they have white fudge, and they have dark chocolate. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite flavor. All detergent. I love stocking up on laundry products. That's one of my favorites besides soap. One amazing freebie on soap that I want you guys to take advantage of. I posted it on my Instagram. What you need to do is at Walgreens, Safeguard hand sanitizer or Safeguard hand soap are 2 for $7. Check your account for a $4 off 2 digital coupon. It's a digital deal. Anyone can do this deal. If you don't need it, please do the deal anyway and donate it to a school. With the virus getting crazy again, it would be an amazing donation item. You can give it to your kids, or you can give it to your kids' teachers so they can keep it in their classroom. You'll pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, and you can pay with Walgreens cash. So that'll make them both completely free. I did that for curbside pickup the other day. So just wanted to give you that extra little bonus deal that you guys can do a freebie this current week, okay? So next week, all detergent is $2.99. We're getting $1.50 coupons in, it says most Sunday papers, because some of the save inserts won't have it. You have to order the right one, and you can order those online. That'll make your final cost $1.49. Those coupons are a limit of 1. So if you want to stock up on more, hopefully we'll get a digital, maybe even a printable. Stay tuned. I'll let you guys know on Sunday. Okay, more hair care. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. We are getting a 4 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday 8/22 save. You'll pay $4 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $1 each. Now I checked my account. I don't have any hair care CRTs like a 3 off of 15 or 4 off 20, 4 off 25, anything like that. They're all brand specific. So let me know in the comments below as well if you have any like 3 off 15, any hair care CRTs or anything like that. Just want to know if they're still floating around, because that could wind up being an amazing deal. Combining this with the Garnier deal, that would make it $1 for 4 products. So definitely check your CRTs. Here's a great deal for a 6 off of 30 any cosmetic CRT. So this would be good to use the current week or next week. If you still struggle with how to use the different CRTs and just kind of couponing in general at CVS, definitely check out the ebook that I have specifically for couponing at CVS. It will be linked below in the description box. It goes over the different CRTs, how to use them, how to stack them, the whole 9 yards. It also goes over extra bucks, beauty bucks, how to put together deals at CVS, and how to put together transactions to keep your out-of-pocket super low. So that'll definitely help you out and help you save thousands of dollars at CVS. So the current week, I think, would be better to use the CRT. Next week, we're getting lower value CoverGirl coupons. The current week, we have $3 CoverGirl coupons, but they expire on Saturday. If your CVS accepts expired coupons, then it would be a better deal. So this is what you can do. Grabbing one of the eyeshadow for, I put eyeliner eyeshadow. It's Revlon eyeliner for $7.79, one of the Candid concealer, and one Revlon lip. So I put the Revlon deal here on the right. It has a limit of 6. So we're actually going to be hitting this Revlon deal twice because we're spending more than $24. So we'll be getting back an $8 extra buck. Then you're going to do the CoverGirl deal in conjunction. So all of this has to be in the same transaction to use that CRT. Then grabbing 2 of the eye pencils, those are the cheapest products for CoverGirl. That'll bring you to $40.05. You're going to use each one of the Revlon coupons from the 8/15 Smart Source. And we're getting a mystery offer, so I'm just putting in $3. It could be more, could be less. I'll let you guys know on Sunday. And 2 of the $1.50 off 1 coupons from the 8/22 Smart Source. Of course, add in that CRT. You'll pay $19.05, get back $8 for the Revlon, $6 for the CoverGirl, and a $3 beauty buck. That will hit your account 48 hours after you check out and do this deal. Final cost is $2.05 for 5 products, which is definitely a great deal, and you're getting a bunch of variety of different products. And here's an amazing deal anyone can do on Crest Scope using a digital coupon. So this deal is buy one, get a $2 extra buck. The limit is 2. So you're going to grab one of the Crest 1 liter scope for $3.99. Use the $1 digital coupon you can find on the CVS app. You'll pay $2.99, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it just 99 cents. I did just post on my Instagram yesterday some rough ideas of stock up prices. So if that's one of your questions, if you have an idea as far as like how much you should pay for things like that, definitely head over to my Instagram and check out that post. Here's another amazing deal. So you can grab the expensive Colgate. These are $7.99 each, okay? And it's buy 2, get a $6 extra buck, limit of 2. This is another all digital deal. So you can grab one of the Renewal and one of the Gum Restore, pretty much one of each of the ones in the picture. You're going to use a $3 digital for each of them. There's 2 separate digital coupons. Then check if you have a 3 off of 15 Colgate or toothpaste CRT. You'll pay $6.98, get back a $6 extra buck, making it 49 cents a piece for the very expensive Colgate, which I think is an incredible deal. That's like more than 90% off. Now let's hop into some transaction examples. So these are 2 different transactions you can do, and you're going to be using a Flu's gift card to pay for the transaction. So this is how you use Flu's. It's super easy. Flu's gives you cash back for buying digital gift cards. You have to pay out of pocket anyway, so you may as well get some cash back for what you're spending out of pocket. So you can use my code BREECouponQueen21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back per digital gift card that you buy, okay? So when you open up the Flu's app, this is what it looks like. You're going to search for CVS at the top. Then you are going to click CVS. It's going to ask you, what denomination you want to purchase for gift cards. You're going to buy 2 separate $10 gift cards. That way you'll get back $3.80 per gift card. If you buy one $20 gift card, you're only going to get back $4, okay? So that is the trick for Flu's. Buy $10 gift cards at a time when you have the 35% vouchers available. And like I mentioned, when you use my code, you'll get 3 of them. So for this transaction, you're going to buy 2 separate $10 gift cards. When you buy your first gift card, the $3.80 goes back on your Flu's account immediately, okay? So when you go to buy your second gift card, you can apply that $3.80 right away. So now you're only paying $6.20 out of pocket for your second $10 gift card, okay? And then again, $3.80 goes right back on your Flu's account, okay? So you want to grab 2 separate gift cards. So transaction 1, you can do the Garnier, the L'Oreal, and the Crest. So as long as you get inserts on Sunday, anyone can do these deals. Total is $18.99. You have $8 in coupons. No CRTs needed in the first transaction unless you have some for hair care. You'll pay $10.99 plus taxes. You're going to show them the gift card code for the first gift card. It's going to cover the first gift card of $10. You're going to owe 99 cents plus taxes. You're going to open up the second gift card, show it to the cashier. They're going to hit gift card on their side. They're going to scan it. It's going to take off 99 cents plus taxes. Okay, so you'll probably have like $8 left over. Then on the bottom of your receipt, we'll print a $2 extra buck, a $2 extra buck, a $2 extra buck. So transaction 2, give them one of the all detergent and that expensive Colgate toothpaste deal. After your coupons, you're going to pay $8.47, but you have $6 in extra bucks from your first transaction. Hand that to the cashier. Now you're only going to pay $2.47 plus taxes. You're going to show them that same second Flu's gift card. It'll cover the cost of your second transaction. You still should have about $4 left over, depending on how much taxes are in your area. And at the bottom of this receipt, you're going to get back another $6 extra back. So let's go over the total cash cost. All you paid today was $20. You got 2 separate $10 digital gift cards for CVS. You got back $3.80 per gift card. And you still have about $4 left over on the second gift card. So your final cost is $8.40 for 8 products, or $1.05 each. And you still have the $6 extra buck that you can use towards your next transaction, whether it's the same day, the next day, or 2 weeks from now. You still have that $6 extra buck that you can use, okay? So if any of this is a little confusing, I do have videos on how to use Flu's below in the description box. And again, that CVS couponing ebook is below that further explains everything for you guys. It's a great reference that you can go back to if you have any questions or if you get stuck on one aspect. It goes into very big detail for that, for how to work different deals, different transactions at CVS. You want to make sure that you're saving as much money as possible, especially with the pandemic and all the craziness going on. So if I can help you guys with that in any way, let me know. If you want to join my couponing class as well, I answer all of your questions at the end, so that'll be linked below for you. I would love to have you there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and I will see you next time.